Welcome to MS Word Course English. First of all, I will scroll it down. We will talk about introduction of MS Word. There we have two lectures. Then we will talk about Home tab features. So there are all the features which are related to Home tab, like usage of Home tab, font section, editing section, clipboard section, paragraph section. So we have covered up almost all the topics in Home tab. Then we will talk about Insert tab features, all the features related to Insert tab, like table section, then we have illustration section, then we have format tab. So there are all the features we have covered up. Then we will talk about the next feature, which is design tab. Then we will talk about layout tab, view tab. Then there is essential MS Word training. So this is how we have covered up a systematic training of Microsoft Word. So what are you waiting for? Let's subscribe this course.